Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I picked up a little mic for the camera, so hopefully we notice a little difference in sound. I really don't know. I do have my DeWalt fan that's in the other video sits right behind the camera here, so I can stay cool in my trailer. This is my shop trailer out here, and I try to use it for a lot of my videos. It's kind of easy to have a few things set up to talk about occasionally, but this is an item that I looked quite a bit on YouTube about before I bought because there just wasn't very much information out there about it. This is the Festool Sandpaper Sustainer, and when I ordered this, I had to order it from Germany and have it shipped over. It was kind of hard to find anywhere other than that way, but this is HSM Sys-Granat. I believe ever since, a few months ago now, Woodcraft actually carries most of these. So it's really nice. I can actually restock this now. But it pretty much just has a lot of your standard stuff in it that you'd want. This is a Sys 2. And as you can imagine, it's mostly Granof paper because that's what it's called. Anyway, there are some packages. I just don't use sheet sandpaper very much, so I haven't even cracked those open. Festool sandpaper, full sheets, 230 by 280s, and they've got that in 220, 120, and 80 grit. So nice little selection if you use full sheets. 10 sheets of each one in there. And they have polishing deals like this. They're microfine, really soft. You can fold them around and do whatever you need to that way. Almost like what I use on my lathe when I'm making pins and whatnot. This goes from 500 to 1500, and they label them right on the back so you can see what they are. Microfine 1500. Anyway, pretty fine stuff there. But they also have your normal sanding blocks that you buy every day, you know, usually 3M and whatnot, but this way you actually get Granof, which we kind of already know we all love. It's our favorite paper of everything that they make. So they've got a whole bunch of these. You get 6 of this style here, and they're all 120s. They have the different profiles, so you have a sharp edge here that you can get into a really tiny profile, and then a cove on this side, which is nice, and maybe like an 1/8 round over kind of size there, and of course you'd have another angle here as well. Really nice design. They have the standard ones in here as well, so you have these range from, well, they're all 60s, I guess. So you have 60s in a square, a standard rectangular sanding pad, and then they have 120s in this shape. Since you can buy these now without ordering from Germany, you could actually go into Woodcraft and you could make it where you had 2 or 3 sizes of each style of sanding block if that was something that you wanted. 120 is most of what I grab when I need a sanding block anyway. I try to stick to using a power sander as much as I can, but sometimes you get into a handrail on a set of stairs or something like that and you just need a touch up or to get into something that you can't get into with your other sander. So you get 6 of those 60 grits, 6 of those 120s with the different profile, and then they have these extremely soft. I mean, you can crush that and it pops right back to normal. To me, that's cool. But this will wrap right around really small things, or you can get into a profile with it, whatever you need to do. And those are very handy. And they are in 60, 120, 220, and 800 grit. So there's a nice little selection there. There's 12 of those in this case. And then you get over here to some of their kind of unique things. These are more of polishing type pads. Festool is, I have their Festool all over it, but it does not say they're called a medium, fine, and super fine. So I actually used, I believe they're called Vlies. VLIES is what these are in this corner. Correct me if I'm wrong. But I used one of them. They're multiple pads, and you can just pop them apart for whichever coarseness that you like. And you can see right through them. See that? You can actually see me through that. Anyway, therefore, when you're really fine-tuning something, like when I was fitting the rings to that Domino Fix MFT template, that is what you use to actually sand that out. It takes off so little material you really can't even tell that it took anything off. So it's very easy to get an absolute exact fit, where if you're using sandpaper you could easily go just a hair too far. That is slow, but it ends up where you have a snap fit like you really want when you're going for that precise build like that. But anyway, Sandpaper Sustainer, HSM Sys-Granat. If you use a lot of hand sanding stuff, or if you just love sustainers and want to make everything fit together, this is a great option for getting a lot of sanding options in one box. And now that Woodcraft has options, you can build this out any way you want after you get a kit. And you already have the insert in the bottom here that'll fit all of these sandpapers. So anyway, kind of show y'all a little bit. There's how it all kind of goes. And if you take these off, you can actually see what all's in there. It's a nice little pack. Nice little setup. But anyway, that's what that is. But good to see y'all back again. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're going to try to keep doing more videos like this, kind of go through a lot of the tools that I enjoy using every day. And hopefully you get something good out of it here and there. Let me know if there's any specific tool that you've seen me use somewhere, or you follow me on Facebook and you know what I'm working on and whatnot, and you want me to talk about something there. I'd be more than happy to. I'm enjoying doing this, so as long as I do, I'll keep doing it. And I really appreciate everybody we have on the channel. Thanks for being here. If you get an opportunity to share one of these out on your page, maybe we can pick up a few more people that like to watch. Thanks for being here. We'll see you on the next one.